Hello and welcome to United Insurance Brokers. Today we are going to talk about our life products division, a division that we're very excited about. We've been involved with life products since 1996, going back quite a long time. And within the life products division, we have a few different channels. And so depending on your focus, you may be most aligned with one channel or another channel. One of the channels we call the broker partner channel, where you're very independent. You have your own marketing strategies, your own lead sources, and really you're just looking for contracting opportunities with kind of best-in-class leading commission levels, and also support, of course, and various types of resources. And we would consider that the broker partner channel. Top commissions, you generate your own leads, and you're independently successful, and that's a great channel to be in. The other channel would be ideal for someone that doesn't want to or isn't set up to generate their own leads and their own marketing opportunities, and they're looking for a way to supplement their income and to supplement their marketing efforts, or even to be very reliant on leads being provided to you within the life insurance industry specifically. So that is another channel that we have, and we consider that a career agent, in that we're providing a higher level of support in terms of specifically leads. Now, in terms of leads are consumers that express interest in different types of life insurance products. So that is obviously the first step and an important step, because you have someone to talk to about the product that you're offering. And from there's various other steps, including giving a presentation and securing hopefully a yes, let's do it, and taking an application and submitting it. In many cases, it can be done, depending on which insurance carrier, by phone, remotely, virtually, which works out great based on what's going on around the world and specifically in America right now. Very easy to do social distancing when you're able to sell a product by phone from home. Other agents prefer and can sell face-to-face in person. So with the leads that we would be able to provide, they wouldn't be necessarily in your zip code or even in your county. They tend to be more within your state, or even within 2 or 3 states that you would be licensed in. And so because of that, most of those sales would be done by phone, and enrollments would take place either with a phone application or an online type application, but you also can sell in person, face to face. So the channel that we consider the career agent channel, where we're providing substantial lead support, is really geared to provide you with a great jump start in terms of leads and opportunities. But at the same time, of course, you'd want to utilize your skills and your training and your contracts to try to make additional sales within your own community through other opportunities as well. We do provide ongoing coaching, ongoing strategy, and we do have really industry-leading veterans within the life insurance industry that, from hands-on experience over decades, can give you exceptional insight and advice on an ongoing basis. I do want to mention and emphasize that we tend to rely on a lot of automation, a lot of virtual training, so you probably won't sit down face-to-face with a mentor. It can happen, but it's less likely. It's more likely that it would be remote and virtual, so it's very important that you're comfortable with that type of approach. We prefer to have things be as efficient and streamlined as possible to give you as much support as we can, without diluting it based on, if we had to travel and meet with every agent personally, individually, face to face, you'd probably wait 4 months for your appointment, and it wouldn't be as helpful as having ongoing weekly coaching opportunities, and even on demand. So we're very, very, I would say, rich in terms of the support that we provide. We're known for that. We've been known for that for really approximately 2 decades, providing a great depth of support on an ongoing basis, and also having top-level professional integrity. And what I mean by that is, when you look at how insurance agents tend to be managed in different organizations around the country, there's quite a bit of variance. So we believe in always contracting you directly with the insurance company, which is very important. So when you make a sale, you are paid by the insurance company to your bank account. It's your money. The insurance company doesn't pay us and then we're paying you, because in that situation, that's not ideal for you, because in that situation, you don't own your own book of business. So what we offer to you is, you do own your own book of business. we will set you up with contracts with major insurance carriers throughout America that will contract with you directly, that will pay you directly your commissions as well as your renewals, so you own your own book of business, and that is very important. Obviously, you need to retain your insurance license. If you don't have an insurance license, the first step would be to get your insurance license, and we are able to connect you with proper resources in your state to go down that path if you're not already licensed. If you're already licensed, it's simply a matter of contracting. We do offer automated contracting, so you only need to enter all of your information into our portal one time. After that, you're able to basically complete contracts through an e-application process, which is very streamlined and efficient, so you don't have to worry about printing or filling out massive PDF forms. It's all quite simple. In terms of commission, on average, within the career agent division, you should make anywhere from $200 to $300 plus per sale in advance commissions. And the reason I say advance commissions, part of the commissions are paid up front, and the rest are paid as the client pays over time. Usually the client only pays 1 month's premium, and they have monthly bank draft where their premiums are debited monthly by the insurance company from their bank account. So in that particular case, the client's only paid 1 month, for example. Maybe it's $60 or $80 a month they're paying for life insurance, depending on various factors and age and the type of insurance they're pursuing. So let's just say they're paying $50 a month. Now, you'll receive a commission that is equivalent to 6 to 9 months of their premiums. So even though they've only paid 1 month, the insurance company is advancing you, which is like a loan essentially, where they're paying you assuming the client's already kept it for 6 to 8 months, although of course it's just their first payment. So you're paid ahead. And then once the client does successfully pay those 6 to 8 months of premiums, then at that point you receive commissions as they pay additional premiums thereafter. And the first 12 months is always the biggest commission percentage. That's called first year commissions. When you get into second year onward, we call those sub-year commissions, which is also called renewals, which are the renewal income, which is a percentage of the premiums you receive after that first year is complete. Now, in the insurance business, agents really tend to make most of their money long term, if you really stick with it, in the form of renewals, because eventually, if you're successful and persistent, you get to a point where your renewals are bigger than your first year commissions, and then you essentially are really living off of your renewals, and the sales you make are just kind of a bonus on top of it all. It takes a while to get to that point, but that's the natural evolution of a successful agent, starting to make those sales, building a book of business that you own, that's yours, and adding to it gradually over time until eventually it's just a very consistent stream of income that gives you a lot of financial independence. So this is an opportunity that does not have to be full-time. It can be full-time. It can be something that you really set as your full focus. It also can be something that you do part-time on weekends or around your work schedule, and a lot of people do it in different ways. You may also be someone that has membership in different organizations and a big social network, and you may just have a natural market in your own backyard, so to speak, in which case you may be able to just sell in all directions on your own and not even need leads. And so the first decision is whether you'd like to be on the lead program or on the broker partner type opportunity. On the broker partner channel, the commissions are quite a bit higher, whereas in the career agent channel, because we are paying for your leads and they're very, very expensive, we spend a lot on leads, and because of that, the commissions have to be lower to offset the cost of the leads. So from our perspective, it's actually more profitable to pay you a very top level commission and have you in the broker partner channel, because we're not paying for the leads, whereas in the career agent channel we have such a high cost per lead that we're investing a lot of money into your success, and so because of that our margins are smaller. But we're very happy to offer that opportunity. Obviously there needs to be kind of a level of consistency of results to justify the expense that we're investing into the leads you receive. Now, not every sale is an easy sale, but if you're consistent and you stick with your presentation and you're quick to call the clients and you maintain professional integrity at all times and do what you're supposed to and kind of follow all the guidelines, it's really not that hard. People all over America have been selling insurance for probably long before all of us were born. It's been around for a very long time, and it will be around for a very long time. So it's a great opportunity. Now, if you start in the career agent channel where we provide lead support, you can later transition to the broker partner channel. If you become more independent to the point where you have your own natural market, or you're ready to start buying your own leads, we can also connect you with lead vendors where you might want to start out as a broker partner and essentially pay for your own leads. We can set you up with preferred vendors that give you great discounts on direct marketing campaigns, where you receive response cards from interested clients who you then contact and are able to offer them insurance products. So that's pretty much just a high-level summary of the Life Products division and the two primary channels within the division. We also work with agencies, of course, as well. If you are an agency, we can also discuss that opportunity. So the next step would be to complete. There's a link that you should receive already in an email. You'd click that link, fill out the form if you'd like to learn more and take next steps, and we'll help to guide you from there, kind of on the process moving forward. Thank you very much for joining today's discussion. I hope you found it helpful, and I wish you the best. Take care.